We spend almost 30 to 35% our whole life sleeping. There is no human being who does not sleep during their lifespan. Without good quality of sleep, we don't enjoy the quality of life we could have if we were to actually sleep well. Poor sleep causes many problems, not only physically and mentally, but it also affects our relationships, work, and family life. We are so much used to of sleeping every night that we don't even think about sleep until we start having trouble with sleep. Once we have problems with our sleep, it's then that we realize what a blessing it is to have a peaceful night's rest. Unfortunately, in this fast-paced world, we spend very little time thinking about our sleep. We try to sleep less during the week to catch up on our studies, or we work excessively to make sure that we don't miss any deadlines at our jobs. We then try to catch up on our sleep on weekends. We put so much strain on our bodies up to the point that our bodies start showing sign of weakness, and then we start developing medical and mental health problems. Individuals who suffer from depression tend to have insomnia, and if the insomnia is not treated, then even if the mood is treated, the chances of them having a relapse of depression and depressive symptoms is very high. If someone is sleeping better, it will help them with their stress management, depression, and anxiety. There is also evidence that better sleep helps in managing chronic medical condition as well. More than 1/3 of the adult population has problems going to sleep, staying asleep, or waking up with poor quality of sleep. Untreated insomnia can cause multiple problems including anxiety, and people are also at a high risk of developing substance use problem. People are also at a high risk of developing depression if insomnia is left untreated. If people are not getting a good quality of sleep, they will have lower productivity at work and do not have a good quality of life. Their social and family life also gets affected by their lack of proper sleep. One research showed that insomnia is causing 63.2 US dollar billions a year in lost productivity. Sleeping less than 5 hours per night can cause weight gain due to getting less sleep. We also have lower concentration of leptin hormone, which signals the brain to let it know when you are full. When leptin concentration is low, people eat more. Due to less sleep, we also have increased concentration of another hormone called ghrelin, which stimulate appetite. So we tend to eat more when we are sleeping less. People with insomnia are 28% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. One research showed that compared to people who sleep 7 to 8 hours, people who sleep less than that are at increased risk of death of up to even 12%. So we can tell how important it is to sleep. Everyone need different amount of sleep. Some people need 7, some people 8, some people even can survive less than that. We all experience different stress in our life, like changing jobs, moving, going through a divorce, medical problems, family problems. These can cause us not to sleep well, but if it's usually transient, and if our sleep does not get better for more than 3 months, then we are at a risk of insomnia. And if we have these sleep problems for up to 3 months, it means we are developing insomnia. People who suffer from insomnia have difficulty falling asleep, and or they are waking up a lot during the night. When people wake up during the night, then they have hard time going back to sleep. So it's not that they are waking up and they are falling asleep right away. People with insomnia do have problems going back to sleep right away. They also have problems when they wake up in the morning. They don't feel fresh, they feel very tired. So the trouble with sleep is persistent even if the person has the adequate opportunity and circumstances to go to sleep. Also with insomnia trouble, people have trouble sleeping at least 3 times a week, and as I mentioned earlier, this thing persists up to 3 months. And due to the individual not being able to have a good quality of sleep, they have difficulty functioning during the day, with symptoms like low energy, low motivation, poor focus, problem doing tasks at home and at work, and headaches and feeling tired. So in short, insomnia is basically last up to 3 months. People have problems with sleep for up to at least 3 times a week, where people have problems going to sleep. They are waking up a lot, and even when they are waking up in the morning, they are not feeling fresh. They are feeling tired, and that cause problem in their social life, in their work life, in their family life. They feel that they have low energy, low motivation, and they are not functioning as well as they used to be in the past. So this was a brief introduction of what insomnia is. In our future videos, we will talk about what are the causes of insomnia, and how can you get help, and what kind of treatment you can have that will help you with your insomnia. Thanks for watching.